Today we're taking Jaja to the groomer. Yeah, her hair's getting way too long. Way too long. Oh, it's been too long since you've been groomed. Let's go, Jaja. Let's run. Where's Jaja? Let's go. Let's come in. Let's come in. She's in the car, all ready to go to the groomer. Jaja, 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 come here. No, come here. Jaja, where's Jaja? Yeah, yeah, Jaja. You're gonna go to the groomer. Jaja, are you ready for the groomer? I don't think you are, huh? You've been shaking all the whole ride. But it'll be okay. It'll be okay. We got this, Jaja. We got this, Jaja. Yeah, we got this. Let me turn the car off. We got this, Jaja. We got it, Jaja. I'll give you a treat when we're done, okay? Okay. Oh, yeah, shake it up. Okay, here we go. We got this. Let's go, Jaja. We're at PetSmart. Let's get her done, Jaja. Let's get her done. Do your business. Come on, Jaja. Jaja, come on. Let's go, Jaja. Yeah, go pee. Go pee. Let's go pee, Shasha. Let's go pee. No pee? Okay. Let's go. This one. Let's go. And there is the groomers. So I just walked out of the groomer. They said she doesn't look that mad, so I don't really have to shave her down too far, so that's good at least. It's gonna take about 3 to 4 hours. I'll probably end up meeting up with Rizzo for some lunch. But I'm definitely happy for the good news. So I will pick her up in about 3 to 4 hours. Hello, I found myself a Rizzo. I decided to stop at her job and pick her up for lunch. We're getting ready to go Jack in the Box and chill, get some gas.
That gas at Arco's,
yeah.
$3.25. That's bull. Ugh.
So we decided to go to Cains instead because Cains is amazing. If you're not familiar with Cains, they got really good chicken fingers and fries, and it's one of my favorite places to go for chicken. And they also got some really good sweet tea. So we are going to go to Cains for lunch while I wait for Jaja to be groomed. So I'm pulling up here, gonna run the stop sign. I was just kidding. Yeah, right there is Cains. Cains is good stuff, amazing stuff. We got Rizzo over there filling it for y'all. It's busy. You know why? Because it's good.
There's so many people here. Look, Cains.
Oh my gosh. Is there any parking spaces?
Oh my god.
No parking spaces.
Wow, we gotta walk a little bit.
Walk.
Chicken fingers.
Everybody wants them chicken fingers.
Chicken fingers. Ooh, there's a person coming through, man. She waved you on.
Oh dang. We got everybody wanting chicken up in here. Everybody wants that chicken.
Wow. You just want to park back
I'm
there?
gonna park up there. Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh! Ooh!
Dangerous.
Give me that chicken.
I don't know where you would go.
I don't know. I'm gonna go around there.
Okay.
I'm going around. That's my turning around noise.
Yeah? You just want to park over there? By the trucks? Park by the truck!
We're here. Okay.
Ooh, that got intense.
Yeah. Oh my. Okay.
Oh my, indeed. Okay. I can't unbuckle.
Hang on to that camera. Oh, you pasted on me. Hello, guys. Okay. Okay.
All right,
Good.
now it's gonna get awkward because I'm getting out of the car.
Yeah. It's definitely lunchtime.
Yeah.
It is lunchtime. What? She gave me a washer.
It's a little tiny ring.
I washed our clothes yesterday, though.
Oh, see, you're the washer.
Hi. Hi.
It's not but let's go with chicken fingers.
And we got the cans. We're going to 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 the cans. There's the Cains sign. Boom. We're at Cains, Rizzo.
Yay!
We're at Cains, Paul. Oh, I'm Paul.
We're at Cains, Paul.
And this is the place right here. This all the way around, 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 all the way around. Yes. So what did you get, Rizzo?
I got a box combo. It comes with 4 chicken strips, a piece of toast, and some coleslaw. But
Who you gonna give your toast to?
Oh, I give it to Paul.
Who
And
am I
then he gives me my coleslaw.
And I give you my coleslaw. I give you my coleslaw.
Coleslaw.
Because I like the toast better. And she likes.
I don't like bread that much.
And what you drinking there?
Sweet tea.
Sweet tea? Wow. Me too. Wow. We got the, what is this called again?
The box combo?
The box combo. And she had the same thing as me. Right there. We got that box combo right there.
Except this is yucky.
Bread and chicken and 2 pieces of bread, and you get the coleslaw.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Paul went to the bathroom. He left me alone with the camera. He's got a toast fork now. A whole bunch of fries. Oh no! I have a bad foundation.
We're all back from the groomers. She looks much better. Much better. We gotta go pay for this, huh? We gotta go pay for this. Hey, Sasha! Right done. We gotta go pay for this. Sasha! Oh. You look good. You look good, Sasha. We get Jaja back from the groomer. She's a very, very happy dog. I think she's mostly happy to get out of there and also be able to see too. Her hair on her face is getting pretty long. She wasn't really able to see. Jaja, hi, say hi, say hi. Hey yo, guys. Okay, we are on the way home now. It takes about an hour to go home. So after that, I'm probably just gonna like chill and work on some YouTube editing, whatnot. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye, Sasha. Bye, Sasha. Hi, Sasha. Hi, Sasha. Oh, cool. Jaja, we're home. And you still look good. And you look good. Let's go, Jaja. Let's go, Jaja. Come on, Jaja. Come on, Jaja. Jaja, let's go. Jaja, come on. I got her a treat. We're home right here. She's extremely, very happy to be home. Here, Jaja. Yeah, eat that treat. Woo! She looks so good.